In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create hyperlinks in Weebly. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating hyperlinks is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your website by allowing visitors to easily navigate to other content. So, whether you want to link to an external website, connect with your audience through email, or throw in a downloadable file, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First things first, go ahead and open the Weebly site editor where you've set up your site. You'll want to locate the specific element that you would like to turn into a hyperlink. This can be text, buttons, images, or really any component you have on your page. It's all about making sure your visitors can access important information with just a click. Now, if you're linking text, let's say a catchy phrase or call to action, start by highlighting the exact words you want your visitors to click on. Simply click and drag your mouse across the text to highlight it. If you're using an image or a button, just make sure it's the element you want to link. Once you've highlighted your text or selected your element, look above it where you'll see a formatting toolbar pop up. In that toolbar, there should be a chain link icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This is the key step to turning your selected content into a hyperlink. After clicking the link icon, a destination menu will appear. This is where the magic happens. Weebly gives you several options for the types of links you can create. You can choose an external website URL if you want to link to another site out there on the internet, which is great for connecting to additional resources. Additionally, you can link to a specific internal page within your own site, which helps users navigate related sections of your content seamlessly. If you're looking to make it easy for your visitors to reach out, there's also the option to link to a phone number or an email address, making it effortless for them to contact you. Lastly, if you want to share a file, you can provide a link for a downloadable file directly from within your site. Now, once you've selected your link type based on what you need, it's time to input the necessary details. For instance, if you chose an external URL, you would paste that link right there in the provided space. If you opted for an email address, simply type that out. As you fill in these details, keep an eye on how your text or element changes appearance. You'll notice it transforms to indicate to your visitors that it's now a functional live link. This visual cue is essential as it tells users they can interact with it. And there you have it. Creating hyperlinks in Weebly is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance user experience on your site. So why not give it a try today? That's it for this video. If you found it helpful,